is going to start off with just a basic backstitch. And you're going to do that through the entire line. So this might be a straight line or a curved line, but you've got to lay down your basic backstitch first. Okay, so here we're going to start with our green floss. And you can see I have started it just either in the same hole or next to. I know that this floss is knotted, so it's really easier just to go up right next to it. Now, all of this work with the green floss is going to be on top of our hoop. So we're not going to be going down, we're just going to be working across. So we're going to come and bring our needle from this side over here and pull. And then from this side under the next stitch and pull. And you can see how it begins to fill in all those little spaces where there were bumps. And it just gives it a really pretty look. We're going to push this through this last stitch here. And then we will go back down to the other side. So I'm going to take my needle and go right here and share the hole of that very last yellow stitch. And then tie my green floss off in the back. So there's your whipped back stitch.